Your gorgeous bouquet. We will make it as Gurumik. Let me show you. It also looks very stylish as a coaster. In this way, we will work on the small one. Of course It's very nice. I tied it up and showed it to you. You open it like this and how it is. I can show you more clearly. This is how I prepared too. Height you size you want. You can. So we can make our increases as much as we want. Now I can knit. My ropes will be like this. I will make my bouquet this time with the red color. Well, first I start with white rope. I'll start with my white rope and I will use 2.5 millimeters of crochet according to the thickness or thinness of your rope. Depending on the frequency or abundance of your crochet number, you can adjust. Let me start with the magic ring. Let me show you. I'm making a magic ring. 3 after making my ring. I'm pulling the chain. Then I take the top and inside. I'm doing double trabzin. For those who don't know, I'll show you. I bought it on my knuckle to 1 to 1. So this way. Minus one of them. We will make double trabzin. Yes, I did 12. My ring here. I combine where I drew the first chain. Don't scroll my hand like that. By doing, I combine. Later here, pull 3 chains and go back to the bottom of the chain. I'm doing double trabzin. Now here are 12. We did double trabzin. On top of them all. Double sinking. Here we will complete our number to 24. Sinking them all twice like this. I will continue by double sinking until the end of my turn. Yes, I sank to by 2. Here again sunk to the top of my chain. I combined the loop with the slide. I'm coming to my third place. I pull 3 chains in the same way. And to trabzin next to it. 1. Let's count the chain from trabzin. Let's double sink to trabzin next to you. So 1 single. We will make 1 pair. I did only 1 next to you. Double sinking. Teed. Single. Later here. Couple. Single. Couple. I will continue the same until the end of my turn. Yes, I came to the end of my turn, same way again, where I made the first chain. I scrolled down first, and combined. I'm coming to my 4th place. I pulled 2 or 3 chains. Next to trabzin. I made a double trabzin. I counted them as 2 trabzin. I double sunk next to you. Now. 1. I make a single. 3rd. Double sinking. 1. Icky. Here for the 3rd. Double sinking. I will continue this the same way until the end of my turn. Our 4th row. We finished with 2 single pairs. I scroll down. And here I will cut my rope. As I said, you eat what you wish. Well, you can continue knitting until it grows to size. I'm going to switch to green now. The green color is like this. Of any trabzin. Top sew sink from here. I'm shooting for 3 normal trabzin. I'm pulling 2 for the space in between. I took 5 here and sunk in the same place. I'm doing double trabzin. I'm pulling a chain, I'm leaving one trabzin empty. Second, I made double trabzin again. I pulled 2 chains. Same place again. I'm doing double trabzin. I pull a chain. There will be a chain between them and one here. This is our turn by jumping on trabzin. We will continue. I pulled 2 chains. I'm doing my other double trabzin, so this way, by creating cages. I will continue until the end of my turn. Just between these 2 trabzin there are 2 chains. A chain, and from here a trabzin from the bottom. I will continue leaving space. This way. I did the same with the green rope until the end of my turn. I pull a chain from here and here, sinking into my 3rd chain. I'm scrolling first. I'm cutting my rope here too. And switch to my other colour. I said I would do it in red. Now I'm starting from the places where I pull these 2 chains. Primarily as I'm pulling 3 chains here. Same place. I'm making 5 double trabzin, where I have drawn these 2 chains. I counted the chain 4. I made 5, then I dipped into this first thing I did. This is how I pull out my loop. 1, 2, 3. I'm pulling a chain and right here. Scrolling stitches from the middle part of where I sunk. 1 to 3 chains. From the middle place I sank. Loop scroll. Then again 1 to 3 chains. I'm repeating this 3 times. Finished in the middle. I take off and scroll down. Later, make a chain here and a chain on the side. Where I drew. I come to you with a frequent needle. Same way. 5 double trabzin. 2, 3. 4. 5. Then I take it out like this. I passed my loop like this when I first sank. 1 to 3 chains. And here's the middle part. We have a gap, don't sink there and scroll the loop. 3 chains again. Scroll down to the same place. 3 chains. Scroll down to the same place. A chain here and a chain at the bottom. I do injections often. Let me show you again. Hive. Double trabzin 3, 4. I took out my 5 knots. The first thing I do is I pass my loop from the top of trabzin. 1 to 3 chains. From the middle part. First loop scroll. 1, 2, 3. From the middle part. Loop scroll. I repeat this process 3 times in total. Then I pull a chain here, a chain. To the ground. 1 frequent needle. This way until the end of my turn. I will continue here. This way. I continued the same way until the end of my turn. Here I am sinking into the middle again like this. After sinking, pull a chain from here and there. Sink to the ground, now my rope from here. I will cut. I'll hide my rope later. This way we actually finished the construction. Folding like this. We can make our bouquet. I will show the others. Yes, in order to show you. I made my bouquet. Others happened this way. Like I said, fold it like this. Yee. Folding like this. Wrapping around. We can do it this way. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate if you like my videos. See you in another video. Goodbye.